Good morning, North Montgomery Middle School. Welcome to Charger Current News. I'm Elizabeth.
And I'm Cooper. Let's get started today's news.
First up, we've got something fun for all you builders and creatives out there.
The North Montgomery School Robotics Club is looking for new members.
If you like building things, solving problems, or working with a team, this club is for you. Whether you are just starting or already have a few things or two, everyone is welcome.
To join, just fill out the Google form from the advisory teacher. If you have any questions, ask Mr. Skimpkins. Don't miss out.
We ask you a big Thanksgiving question. Which better, ham or turkey?
And the results, the winner by 8 votes is turkey.
Looks like turkey is the favorite. Speaking of Thanksgiving, let's see what the weather will be like. Over to Mason and Adam.
Monday it's going to be a high of 56 and a low of 25. On Tuesday it's going to be a high of 38 and a low of 27. On Wednesday it's going to be a high of 42 and a low of 28. On Thursday it's going to be a high of 40 and a low of 28. And on Friday it's going to be a high of 38 and a low of 22.
Hey Cooper, do you know what happens when winter comes?
No, what?
Autumn leaves.
Wow, that was a bad joke.
Okay, fine. Andrew and I found some jokes that are actually good. Here's this week's joke of the week. What's your favorite joke?
Why is Santa good at karate?
Why?
Because he has a black belt.
How do cows do math?
How?
The calculator.
What do you call a dinosaur playing hide and seek? Do you think he saw us?
What's your favorite joke?
You know, people say with the cold weather they hate going outdoors, but I don't mind. It's a lot easier than going out windows.
Those jokes are so funny. I feel like I just played a basketball game.
I don't know about that, but let's find out how our teams did this week and who they're playing next. Over to Andrew and Connor.
I'm Andrew Fedor, and this is CCN Sports. On Monday, November 25th, 6th grade boys basketball plays Crawfordsville. On Tuesday, November 26th, 6th grade boys basketball plays Greencastle. On Tuesday, November 26th, 7th and 8th grade boys basketball will be going against Covington at Covington.
Thanks, Andrew and Connor.
Now it's time to meet someone who might not play sports but still knows how to have fun.
Here's our interview with 8th grade social studies teacher and comic book fan, Mr. Martin. How long have you been teaching for?
This is my 19th year, so I'm super old.
What do you do in your free time?
I love reading, and I love going to movies. I'm obsessed with going to movies, movie corn, popcorn, in my belly.
What is your favorite class?
My favorite class is lunch.
Who is your favorite student?
My favorite student, probably of all time, this guy Adam Kazee. He's like filming me right now, and like maybe even slightly better than him, Cooper Stevens, who was nice enough to ask me to do this.
What is your favorite college?
My favorite college is Purdue. Obviously, it's great. Go Boilers.
After that awesome interview, let's see what's for lunch today. Over to Connor and Reagan. Lunch.
For breakfast on Monday, we're having donut pull apart, and for lunch, we're having chicken bites.
For breakfast on Tuesday, it is breakfast pizza, and for lunch, it is Texas straw hat.
On Wednesday, it's whatever you want because it's Thanksgiving break. And on Thursday, it's Thanksgiving. Why would you even be here? And on Friday, it's leftovers unless you ate it all.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably ham. I don't like turkey.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Mashed potatoes.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Mac and cheese.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably ham.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably turkey.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Cheese ball.
What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Pie.
Okay.
My grandma's turkey.
Probably turkey. This week we learned turkey is the favorite Thanksgiving food.
Our basketball teams are doing great.
And Mr. Martin is just as funny as everyone says.
Thanks for watching Charger.
Where are we?
Well, this is North Montgomery Middle School in Crawfordsville, Indiana, and this is home of Charger Current News. And I think you guys should take a speed tour!
Speed tour!
This is a teleprompter.
Speed tour! These are the editing desks and our camera storage.
Speed tour. This is a switcher.
Speed tour!
This is a first sound booth.
Speed tour.
This is a second sound booth.
Speed tour. These are the costumes.
Speed tour!
This is a green screen.
Wait, we have green walls. What do we need a green screen for?
Speed tour. This
Is
is the anchor desk. Speed tour. Right here is where someone's having an interview. Speed tour.
This is where we store our SD cards.
Speed tour.
Speed